Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about an upgrade modification I did to my 2001 Coupe Corvette, C5 Corvette. So this is a pretty much what they call a low riser headlight. So meaning I took off the stock headlights of the Corvette and I installed them with a aftermarket headlight, which are low risers, meaning they don't open all the way up. They're meant for that reason. The work took about an hour and a half per headlight. So unfortunately I didn't end up videoing the whole work I was doing. But what I did is, since I was very much involved in the work, trying to make sure wiring are done properly, removing the stock headlight done properly, so on and so forth, I was able to take some pictures here and there as I moved forward the project. So I said, you know what, let me compile them and make a video out of them. That way, if someone is interested in this upgrade, they have a starting point to start with. And of course, I'm very much open for reaching out to me for questions if need be. So with no further ado, let's start the install. The first few pictures are the aftermarket headlight. As you can see, they are angel eyes headlights from the pictures. They come up with HID high beam and LED low beams, and of course they have a shroud that you put to cover the headlights when they're fully installed. And the shroud is of course paintable, which I painted black to match the stock, what was before. In the next few pictures, as you see, I have removed already the stock driver's side headlight, and I installed the driver's side aftermarket headlight and did all the necessary wiring to make it functional. The next pictures are, as you see, I have installed both headlights aftermarket and removed the stock, and all wiring has been done. Everything is functioning properly, including the angel eyes, the hazard light, the whole 9 yards. So the install is done, everything is working, I tested it. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. See you in another video.